This is day 15 of 100 days of design, and the exercise for day 15 is on and off switch. We're using one of our previous designs to do this. This is a music player and it's one of the daily designs from the past exercise. So if you remember, in our daily design, the music player we designed was for a tablet screen. I've just converted the tablet screen to a mobile screen, which is this. So from here we're going to copy the menu and add some other items to the menu. So I'll go to where the design is and copy the menu here. This is the menu for the tablet screen. So we're going to do some kind of editing here to implement the design for today. So first of all, I'm going to check the size of this music player screen. The size is 428 by 926. So I'm going to make sure this also is 428 by 926. After that, I'm going to reduce the size of this thing. So I'll go by 8. The width of it, I'm going to divide it by 4. I'll say divide by 4. That is it. Then multiply it by 3. So this is what we have. So I'm going to reduce the size of this thing. I'm going to scale it down. K on the keyboard, and I'll scale it down like this. And again, the name is going to be our white color. Just going to need our color here. So this is going to be our white color. So the logo. Now to what we have here, I want to add another items to this. So I'm going to click on the first one here. While holding Shift and Alt, I'm going to copy it out just like this. And the icon we have here, I'm going to change it. So I'll go to my assets and I'll search for icon I'm going to use. Let me check on weather section. So I'm going to use the moon and the sun. I've copied the two. Just close this. Then let's check the size of this icon here. The icons are 32 pixels. So I'm going to make sure these are reduced from 32 pixels. So I'll take them down to 24 pixels. This also should be 24. This should be 24. And this also should be 24. And the text you're having here, I'm going to reduce them from 20 pixels to 16 pixels. I'm taking them down to 16 pixels of size, like that. So these are by default 24 pixels, so I'm going to change them to a bold, because we'll be using bulk. We've been using bulk. Now I'm going to create two of this. But before that, the color we're using our icon is white. Is our white. So I'm going to select the icons, then go to color selection and pick a color white to apply it. Now this here, I'm going to change this to night mode. And I'll copy this, Command C, and replace what we have a Shift Command R. So the white color we're having here is at 60% opacity. So I'm going to reduce this also to 60% opacity. So for this also, this is 60% opacity. So I'm going to move this down here, and I'll auto layer with this Shift A. So in a situation where user taps on this, so I want this menu to come out. So I'm going to drag this here, and I'll say on tap. So it should be open overlay, and the overlay should have moving and should be from left to right. I want to create a copy of these two things. I'll copy them aside just like this, and every black we're having here, for example, I'll select the two, and every black we're having here, I'll change them to white. But before I do that, I would like to change my white to black. So I'll just copy the code on this, which is 1F2, 1CF2. I'm going to copy it, Command C. Then I'll select everything I have here, and I'll press I on keyboard and give our background white, which is this. Everything here should be white. Then I'll select these two things together, and I'll press enter to select items inside them. So I'll go to color selection. Every white that I have here will have the black color. So everything that seems to be white will be changed to the black color. I'm pasting the color I just copied. Okay, what remains here is this. So the colors we are having here, they are at 60% opacity. I'll take them down to up to 90% opacity. And the icon we're having, I'm going to change it. So we're going to have, okay, we have to change this, Command C. I'll replace this, Shift Command R. Then this also, I'm going to copy Command C, Command C. Then I'm going to replace what we have here. Okay, this is okay like this. We have a white that was supposed to change here. So this should be our white. And also we need to change this to our white. And the things we're having here also, we need to change the black there to our white color. And this one we're going to take it to 60% opacity so that it shows more. And this also, these are 30, 60%, and these are 60, 90% opacity. So I think that is that. So go back to prototype. Whenever we tap on this, so this shouldn't be night mode. We'll say light mode, and this here is going to be dark mode. Now when user taps on this should navigate to this. So there shouldn't be any animation, it should just be instant. And again, when user taps on dark mode, it should navigate to this, and it should also be instant. So that is that. Okay, here you need this, you need this. So now I'm going to select this. Now go to prototype and add starting flow to it. So I'll click on this play to see what we have. So here is our design. So if I tap on this, it brings the menu, and I can switch from lights. This is night mode. If I tap on this like this, it changes to light mode, and I can also come here to change it to night mode. So that is that for today's exercise. Thank you for your time. If you haven't subscribed, please do that now. I need your subscription and I need your time. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to add your question to the comment section, and you can also name or mention my channel so that I can get a quick notification. Thank you for your time and God bless you.